Hi, and welcome to Developmental Math 1 Online. This is your professor, Johnny Forsythe, and I will be teaching you over these next 8 weeks online. So this video is going to just go through the format of the course, how you find all of your course content, your assignments, and your resources. So this is the home page. So what you're going to do, you're going to start by viewing and completing the Start Here orientation module. So in the orientation module, you're going to have a welcome, course information, information about your instructor. You can view the course syllabus, the course schedule, um, course policies, grading policies, everything that you need to know for this class is here in the orientation module. You need to go through and read every page, print your syllabus and schedule, and then after you review everything, you're going to do your 3 orientation assignments. The first one's going to be your orientation syllabus quiz. The second is going to be a practice assignment using the website that we do our homework and quizzes and tests on. And then you're going to have your first lab assignment, which is going to be a discussion. Now, notice that you have circles here, so you must submit all of these assignments in order to complete this module. You will not be able to access the remaining modules until you complete the orientation module. So once you complete the orientation module, then these circles will become green checks, and then everything else will be available for you to check out in the course. Now, as you can see, all of my orientation assignments have a green check, noting that it's complete. And now I can view the week 1 module. So within each weekly module, it gives you everything that you need to complete within that week. So we have your overview page, which basically tells you everything that you need to learn and do within that week. So it tells you what chapters you're going to go over, and it gives you your assignments. You can also click next through the module to get to the assignments as well. So every chapter has a kind of a chapter contents page. So chapter 1 is on whole numbers. So we have a list of the sections here. And in each one of these pages, you have a PDF of the textbook and the solutions. So you can actually get away with not using your hard copy textbook. You're also going to have your learning outcomes for the chapter listed below. This is what you are expected to be able to do after completing the module. And then you have resource videos. So these videos are listed in order of the sections in the chapter, and they're basically an instructor going over the content in that section. Now, when you click next, you'll get to your first homework assignment in that chapter. So within each homework assignment, I've put videos that are also helpful for you to help you answer the questions below. Now, notice if you were to answer a question or submit something or go to another question. So say we go to question 2. Notice those videos went away. So they didn't actually go away, they're just hidden. So if you click on show intro or instructions, then those videos pop right back up. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your homework. I'm going to go back to modules, which is where you can get to everything in your course. So going back to chapter 1, so you have your overview page for the week, you have your summary page for the chapter, then you have your chapter homework here. And so in this week, we have 2 chapters to go over. So I list the chapter overview, and then I have the homework for the chapter. And then I'm going to have your lab assignment and then your quiz. So for each quiz, you have to submit the written work for that quiz in order to get credit for that quiz. So if you click here for week 1 quiz, you actually need to click load week 1 quiz, and it's going to load in a new browser window. So this is your quiz here. So you have 3 attempts per problem for each quiz, each weekly quiz. Now keep in mind that you must submit written work for each quiz to receive credit. You are required to not use a calculator in this class. Now I can't tell what you do at home, but in order to get credit for these quizzes, you must show that you worked out the problems. You must show the work. You cannot show me you did 5 times 13 and then that equals whatever, and you just have no work shown. I need you to at least show me I did 5 times 13 equals whatever to find this answer. Some problems will require more work than others, but you must show me your work to find the answers to these problems. If you do not upload your written work, then you will not get credit for your quiz. So you can get to where you would upload the written work here within the quiz. You can click here and you've got how you would submit the assignment. So in order to submit it, you would scan your written work for the quiz and then you would click submit assignment. In order to upload, you would click choose file and you would upload the written work file that you scanned and then submit assignment. Okay? So going back to modules, again, within each weekly module, you have the chapter you're going over, you have the homework, you have the lab assignment, and then you have the quiz. And for each quiz, you submit your written work. So same thing, week 2, you've got your week 2 overview. In week 2, we just go over chapter 3. It's a longer chapter. So we have the chapter 3 resource videos and PDF files. Then you have your homework for chapter 3. Then you have your lab assignment and your week 2 quiz. All right? And then remember you have to submit your written work. So I have locked your remaining week modules because I don't want to have too much showing to overload you. So as we progress through the semester, then I'll open your modules as we go. Now, in order to contact me, the best way to contact me is to use your Canvas inbox. You want to send me a message by clicking on the inbox. It goes to my email, and that is the best way to get in contact with me. You can also access the course syllabus by clicking here. And it gives you the whole syllabus for the course. And then grades is where you can see how you're doing in the class. So if you click on grades, it gives you your score. I have a 0 because I haven't submitted anything really, but you can see how you're doing in the course at any time by clicking on grades. So that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the course, what to expect. Over here to the right, you have your to-do list. It will show any assignments that are upcoming that you need to be working on. So that's about it. So if you have any questions, send me a message in the Canvas inbox and I will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. I hope you have a wonderful semester and I will see you online. Bye.